Hello KG, how are you today? I hope you will be fine. Let's begin our revision today. Our revision today is about sound A and sound K. The first sound is A. The words which begin with the sound A are aeroplane, aeroplane. The next one, ambulance, ambulance. The next one, apple, apple. Alligator, alligator. Avocado, avocado. Arm, arm. Axe, axe. And ant, ant. The next sound is k, k, k. The words which begin with the sound k are car, car. Cake, cake. Carrot, carrot. Cow, cow. Cat, cat. And clown, clown. And now it's time for exercise. The first exercise is write the words under the pictures. I have some pictures and I will write the words under the pictures. The first one, yes, that's right, it's ant. The second one, what is this, KG? Yes, that's right, it's cow. The third one, yes, it's arm. And the last one is, yes, that's right, KG, car. The next exercise, choose the correct words. Number one, what is this picture, KG? Yes, that's right, it's kite. Number two, dog or girl? Yes, that's right, it's girl. Number three, ant or star? Yes, that's right, it's ant. Number four, stop or nest? Yes, stop. The next one, ant or cow? It's cow. The last one, dog or nose? Yes, that's right, nose. I have finished, KG. Thank you and goodbye.